This is the Dash Deluxe Air Fryer. Air frying lets you make delicious fried food without the guilt of using too much oil and without sacrificing any flavor. Our Air Crisp technology superheats the air, then rapidly circulates it to create crispy fried food in minutes. I personally love how easy it is to use this air fryer. Just adjust the temperature, set the time, and you're ready to go. With an extra large 6-quart basket, this air fryer is big enough to create easy weeknight meals for the whole family. You can do everything from French fries to fish tacos, and you can even roast a whole chicken. Here at Dash, helping you eat better is at the core of everything we do. That's why we work hard to create quality products, healthy recipes, and we have a customer support team based right here in the USA. So start making healthier fried food for the whole family with the Dash Deluxe Air Fryer.
Hi there, I'm Clay with Dash. I'm here with a couple of our most popular air fryers to show you how to assemble, clean, and maintain the non-stick coating on your air fryer. When your air fryer arrives, make sure to take off all the stickers and tape from the outside. However, you want to make sure not to remove the silicone tabs on the outside of the crisper tray. They're supposed to be there. They protect the crisper drawer from getting scratched. All of our air fryers have a PFOA-free non-stick coating that's super easy to clean. But to make sure that you're not brushing any away, don't use any metal utensils while you're cooking with your air fryer. Some people like to use a little bit of oil when they're cooking with their air fryer, but you want to make sure to stay away from cooking sprays. They have propellants and soy lecithin in them, which creates a gunky layer between the food and the non-stick. So make sure to use just 100% oil. You can baste it on with a brush, dab it on with a paper towel, or use an oil sprayer or butter sprayer. All right, let's take everything we learned and cook a snack. I'm gonna put some waffle cut fries in my air fryer basket, and I'm going to use the Dash butter sprayer to spray on a little bit of butter. Then I'm gonna give it a little shake and spray the other side. Now I'm gonna put the basket on and cook them for 10 minutes at 350. The best way to clean your air fryer is just with some warm soapy water, but you want to make sure to let it cool down all the way first to protect the non-stick coating. Also, don't use any scouring pads or sponges with metal in them because they can scrape away the surface. And that's it!
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something